So basically we're trying to get this car done for Cars and Coffee this weekend. We did the whole entire forged carbon in dry carbon, as you see. The satin look that it has. The paint is exact match, but the whole entire car has satin clear on it, so it makes it a little more shinier than factory. So in order for us to get into Cars and Coffee, we need that guy to come in and do the clear on it. He travels all over the country to do clear on Supercar, so he had to cancel his trip just to do this for us today. So hopefully you'll come through, because we're not gonna be able to take it like this. Look what I bought my daughter today.
What is that?
She's only 5.
What is that?
It's a little Fiat. It's so tiny. It's like this big.
Dude, that's what my wife drives.
So cute, no? She loves blue, Tiffany blue. So this.
It looks like the Wayne's World car a little bit.
I know. It was $5 grand.
Runs and
my
everything?
buddy has, yeah, runs and everything. I'm like, I'll take it. I don't know what to do with this.
How old is your daughter?
She's 4.
We're gonna put what 458 FI exhaust tips on a Mercedes GT63. Yeah, we're going from dual exit to center outlet on the rear bumper. It's a custom setup that Marley's been working on. It's looking pretty good though.
Every job I do, I put my signature on it. Write my name, put the date I finished it, and spit on it.
Did you cut this thing?
Yeah, it was a lot, bro, but it's cleaned up real nice.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
This splash shield right here, it covers all of those hoses, nice and snug, 2 bolts up there, and it'll protect this hose.
So now we just gotta get the exhaust tips back.
We already got them.
We got them?
They look sick as f***.
Do they? This is the wheels that are gonna go on this car. This car will be dope. I'm excited. You guys gonna see a badass GT. Badass GT.
Of course.
What were you saying?
That's a good.
What were you saying?
Nothing.
What were you saying?
Nothing.
What were you telling me to do?
No, I was just saying, hey, welcome to the team. That's all. Well, welcome.
What you got going on right now?
Nothing. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just uploading a bunch of pictures for AL13. Well, look at that.
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
It is really nice.
Shout out AJ.
Also, Sal got dropped off by his mom today.
I saw his mom, bro.
When he was like, who's that? Is that Sai? I was like, no. It's Sal's mom dropping him off.
Hey, I saw your mom drop you off. Explain why you just got dropped off by your mother.
I started my car to build it, things happened.
Bro, it's so loud.
I didn't have enough shit. Now it's been a month. Still my garage. Yeah. No, I know what I'm doing.
What do you got going on today?
I installed the exhaust on the G-Wagon. Gotta put the tips on, and then I gotta do the lowering springs on the G-Wagon to lower it.
Completely new interior. This thing's crazy. Look. Talk about weight reduction in a G-Wagon, right? Did you smell that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's brand new. 34 miles.
All new, like upholstery, all new interior.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the whole interior is gonna be all red. That's so clean.
And this is the cover for the other door panel.
The whole car is carbon fiber. Carbon fiber fender. Carbon fiber front bumper. Carbon fiber hood. Carbon fiber.
Bro, why does he walk like that?
You got his Yeezy boots on. Oh my. I used to wear Yeezy boots over here. I do like the spring compressor over there, and I couldn't click on it because I was like small wasn't how big the shoe was.
This fool couldn't drive cars because the shoe was too big.
We have the 911 hoods, right? The 911.2 hoods.
Yeah, just to cover it. You can never look pretty getting out of supercars. That's why you can always get men on supercars and never women.
That's just you, buddy.
Got with the van, put the Porsche there.
Yeah, you want to pick this up, someone? Daddy's got it.
Big Daddy Sal.
You see that smirk? I didn't know that. The whole hood is actually carbon fiber. And then this
I think everything's just carbon fiber.
This fender's full of carbon hood, carbon fender, carbon front bumper. Like this was peak man service.
This is upper echelon for sure.
Oh yeah, super important.
Car can't ship without this.
Yeah.
What you doing right now?
Centering it up. You gotta do it right. You want perfection? You'll get perfection.
Your eye doesn't know how to center something. Let me show you how to center. Let me just show you. This is why you don't pay somebody by hour. A job that should take 30 seconds is taking him 30y minutes.
You
Wait
gotta-
until you see what he's doing. And after all that, it's gonna be crooked.
I don't need this negative energy by me, alright? I need you to leave.
This is what he's doing.
Oh my.
I need you to leave.
He bought his 4-year-old daughter a Fiat for
What?
$5 grand. Just take that. Just take that.
Bruh. I need to put down that camera and just help me center this, right? You know what's funny? We knock out these cars, and the last thing is the banners, and that's what we struggle with. The stickers take a lot of brain thought.
Brain thought.
Nah, bro, I gotta get this done. No, that's not gonna let me. Boom! 3 more after this. I keep making it crooked, bro.
3 hours later.
Okay.
Give for putting your sticker on, bro. I'm hurt, bro. I didn't get one.
The watermelon and a strawberry.
Dog the Bounty Hunter Jr., dog.
How'd you open that?
Can't put the sticker on, can't open the lollipop.
Might go with little things. You know what I mean. I hear Sight yelling over there.
You missed a good one in there. I'll go give him 2 lollipops. I said, see, it's so easy. Either getting yelled at for not showing up, and you show up, you paying my shit, and you get lollipop. Oh, here, you need one too.
Yeah, I'm new here. Alright, let's see. Sai seems to be kind of amped about these. Tastes like shitty Christmas candy.
I can't.
I must ask you.
With the mustache. Sai Solari himself designed.
You're talking about this right here, like the neon green accent?
It made sense because the rear has that too, but we all voted for this to be down here, not to be up here. We need to talk to him about it, but it's alright.
Look, it's got all these accents though.
Carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber, carbon fiber. Carbon fiber? Carbon fiber. The LED lights, carbon fiber. Right here. Carbon fiber. Carbon fiber.
I think we get it, bro.
This
yeah,
right here?
yeah, what is it? What is
carbon
it?
fiber.
That's
Oh my
it.
god. Carbon fiber.
There's the rear mustache.
Carbon fiber. Yes, the rear mustache. Yes, the rear stash. Those 2 F8's up there is gonna get Kevani kid.
Kevani on this, what else?
Kevani exterior, we already slapped H&R springs in there. We might do a color change on the brake calipers, but
Yeah.
we may leave the yellow because it goes good with the factory Ferrari emblems on the side. So kind of figure out if we're gonna put the Kevani logos or leave the Ferrari logos. And then yeah, just Kevani, suspension, everything tan, even this. Hardtop headliner. Never popped one of these off before.
What's it being changed to?
Baby blue.
Oh, yeah, I heard about
sick
that. Yeah.
Powder blue color. Seats, door panels, dashboard, A-pillars, roof, C-panel. This one's gonna be nasty.
Using this prep to prep the inside of this so I can install it right here with adhesive and it'll bond correctly to that surface.
And then this is going on the F8?
Yeah, this is for this one right here.
That's Kevani?
Yeah, Kevani. We're not doing the full kit on this one. We're just gonna do the lip, a couple little face pieces, rear diffuser, spoiler, just enough carbon.
What are you cutting?
I was belt training it.
Little man's gotta grab the...
Now it's time. Gotta cut these out, right here. Because they rattle. Just sand it down nice and smooth so it fits with the tip.
And then what's this going on?
The D63.
Hey, you didn't talk about these though. The dethroned USA. It's Mr. Solari himself.
Yeah, dude, this is his daily right here.
These things are actually pretty quick.
15 miles per hour. Full charge, it goes 20 miles. It's basically your own Tesla. Just go like this and just drive around. I would love that.
Alright, we're about to go shoot this Jeep. I don't know where this dude Palmer went though. Dude's making love to this Jeep right now. Bro. Essential before we post it up for sale.
Yes, creativebespoke.com.
Creativebespoke.com.
Dude, it's quilted leather stitching on an off-road vehicle. Look at that.
We'll pop up some specs about this Jeep right here. If anyone's interested, creativebespoke.com.
What is he doing?
Fucking bitch ass.
High score? Yeah, you're not.
When you're trying to clock out, but it doesn't work.
So getting Ricky clocking out.
No, look at he's playing the game.
Ride it by. Oh, he's playing.
It's 5:13, you little bitch.